Hello, my name is Stephen Mayeux, and you're watching The Best JS. In this video series, we are building a full stack application using React and Node and Express, and also sockets, web sockets to be specific. And we built this app where you could shake President Donald Trump, not really, but you could shake his stupid face on the computer, and there would be a counter that would tell us how many times people have shaken Donald Trump on that website, and that counter would update in real time for all connected clients, so pretty much anyone who's visiting the website. So it's working, it looks pretty sweet, and now it's just time to deploy it so the whole world can shake Donald Trump. So let's get set up for that. Okay, a couple of things here that we're going to have to do. First thing is I want to edit my package.json. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to get this out of the way, and I want to get the version numbers of Node. So for me, I'm running 7.3.0, and also npm. I'm running 3.10.10. Awesome. And I'm going to come here, and anywhere in my package.json, I'll just go after the repository. I am going to write double quotes and engines, with a colon, curly braces, put a comma right there to close it. Then node, with the curly braces, it's going to be 7.3.0. I'm writing the version numbers. And npm, it's going to be 3.10.10. And this is going to allow Heroku to build our project properly. All right, looks good. Another thing I have to do is I need to remove this bundle.js from my git ignore. All right, great, so I've done that. Let's see, what else do I need to do? I need to create something called a proc file. So create a new file, capital P, proc file, and I'm going to write web node server.js. So that's how we run our code, right? We run node server.js, and that starts up the server, and we're telling Heroku, hey, start up a server by running this command in your terminal. All right, looks good. So we got the package.json, we got this, we have that. Let's go ahead. We're gonna come back here, and we're gonna run webpack one more time, just to build the most recent version of our bundle.js. All right, perfect. I'm going to run a git status, and man, we have deleted and modified and created a lot of different files. So I'm going to write git add, git commit -m, and write a message, make shake Trump app. Very good. All right, now it is time. Let's see here. Now it is time to log into Heroku and also to push this up. Now, Heroku is a place where we can deploy our applications, or full stack applications, and it's a wonderful website. In order to use it, you will need to install the Heroku tool belt. So if you don't have that installed, or if that doesn't sound familiar to you, it's the CLI, the command line interface for Heroku. So do a Google search for that, download and install it, and then you can be ready to go. All right, so I'm going to write Heroku login, and I will log into my account. All right. Then it's going to ask me for my password. Okay, cool. So now I am logged in. All right, and git status. All right, cool. I've already committed something. Perfect. Now, what I'm going to do, I have logged into Heroku, and now I'm going to create a new project. So I will write Heroku create shake -Trump. Okay, that's what I am going to call it. So, yeah, I'll call it that. Shake -Trump, or I'll do it without the dash. Shake Trump. Perfect. Heroku create. All right, awesome. So now I have committed my files, and it's just a matter of pushing it up to Heroku. So Heroku, it has sort of like this Git branch that I can push up to, and that's how I deploy. So Git push Heroku master, press enter, and in a couple of minutes we should see our application up on the internet where anybody can enjoy it. It takes a couple of seconds. Cross fingers that this works. It's always a pain in the butt to get your code to deploy properly the first time. Okay, that looks good. All right, looks good. It looks like everything worked fine. This is the URL where you can actually visit my application, and your URL will look similar with a different root right here. So I can copy and paste that and go to my browser, or I can write Heroku open, and it will open a tab in my in an active browser. And look at that, awesome. So you can go to this web address right now, https://shaketrump.herokuapp.com, and you can now use it, and look at that, it works. And anybody who goes to the site, we can open it up here, and look at that, it is updating and stuff. It is really cool. And okay, this is awesome. So let's stop right here. In the final video, we'll just conclude and wrap up, and that'll be it. Okay, I'll see you in the final video. Bye-bye. Boop.